I'm going to be testing keyboard switches. Here's the back side and here's the front side. I have this keyboard switch tester from Acro. There's 16 switches in here. Everything from silent to and linear and tactile switches. In this video, I'm going to just show you all of them, and I'm going to show you the sound of all of them. And I'm going to show you which switch I'm testing, and you can see which one of them is your favorite. My favorite, of course, is the silent switches, but you can see for yourself, and maybe in the comments below type which one of them you think is the best. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.